following is a message from the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued a requirement-free test for Alaska, beginning at 2:10 p.m. May 4th, 2022 and ending at 3:10 p.m. May 4th, 2022. Message from Onyx/IP. This is a test of the emergency alert system and the Alaska Amber Alert system. In the event of an emergency or child abduction, this system would provide important information. This test is now concluded.
This message from the emergency alert system is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.